Hey guys, it's Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to be doing round 2 of the WWE Mashems. And just in case you guys missed part 1, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So these WWE Mashems come with 6 wrestlers total. And you've got Kyle Orton, Dolph Ziggler, The Undertaker, John Cena, and Triple H. Now last time, we were not able to get the 6th character, which was The Rock. So we're gonna test it out and see if we can't get him this time. So let's get started and we'll open the first one up. All right, so we got one. And what do you know? Another Triple H. So no Rock in this one. Set him right there. And let's dig into the purple one. See if we have any better luck. Oh yeah. Whoa! And there he came out. There he is, The Rock. That's the one we were looking for. He completes our set. You can see these Mashems are super cool. They're filled with water. I was hoping you could see the bubbles inside. There it is. So we've got our 6th and final character, but we'll go ahead and open the rest up so we can see how many more duplicates of which character we would get. So let's try our fancy green egg. I wasn't expecting us to get The Rock so soon. Maybe we'll get 2 of them. And it's Kyle Orton. So there's our 2nd Kyle. Next up, we've got our white sparkly egg. And I noticed a lot of you guys in the comments name that you like John Cena the best. If you had another wrestler you could pick that you thought would beat John Cena, which one would it be? Y'all let me know in the comments. And bam! Another Kyle Orton. So this is shaping up to be 3 Kyle Ortons. Space them out here. And our last egg, try this out. I hope we get another John Cena actually. That's who I would like to get. And no, we've gotten another Triple H. So there he is. Whole another Triple H. So we ended up getting 2 Triple H's, The Rock, and 2 Kyle Ortons. But to celebrate us getting The Rock, I'm gonna open up some of these Kinder Surprise eggs so we can see what else we can get. And if you guys have not had the chocolate inside one of these eggs, I strongly recommend it. It is phenomenal. So it looks like we got it's like a little 4-wheeler, an ATV. And it is. So let's put it together. Let's get our handlebars in first. There's our handlebars. Attach the bottom half. And these snap together pretty easy. That's what I like about these Kinder toys. They go together with relative ease. There's the seat coming on it now. And there you have it. The wheels move and everything. So you get your little ATV. And our last and final egg. Let's see what we get. That's a lot of pieces. Let's see what this is. I don't know exactly what that is. It looks like a spinning top of some sort by Go Move. So let me put it together and then we'll test it out. Okay, so let's put this thing together, and I did look and it appears to be a top, so I was right. Our last one we'll do differently. We'll do the pink striped side. So there we have our top. So we can test it out. Whoa! That is a cool top. One more time, if I can do it right. Jeez, it's hard to get it to go right here where you want it. All right. That's it for round 2 of our Mashems collection. We were able to get all 6 and show you 2 Kinder Surprise eggs. But like this video if you want to see more of our WWE stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.